We are living in an era where generative AI and artificial intelligence will have a huge impact. So we need to be able to identify what actually happened and what might be synthetically generated.
You see, I would never say these things. Moving forward, we need to be more vigilant with what we trust from the internet.
So the question is, can we devise methods using machine learning and artificial intelligence that is able to detect whether something is artificially generated or not? And this is a very, very important problem from a social perspective, because we really need to know what really happened and what could be something that is artificially generated, and people can buy into completely false narratives because of these generated videos. It is also a very intellectually challenging problem, because what we are trying to figure out is what is the signature in that image or the video that is different from the signature that would be present in a naturally generated video. And the way we identify these signatures is often by looking at these deep networks that are used to generate the data, and then see what is it in these deep networks that are creating completely artificial video or an artificial image, and then trying to develop methods that are able to classify that these features are because it's artificially generated, while some other features because they are more characteristic of real life images or videos.